watch me elevate.
What is up, world? It is about that time. And what time is it? It's Evo time. Evo 10 time. Let me give you some backstory on this. I purchased this car from Copart. And like any car that you purchase on Copart, it looks like an easy hit until you get it. So, this is what it looked like before. Alright. Now, been working on it for a while. This is not a project that's quick. So I've had this project for about, let's say, 5-6 months sitting, and then I order the parts, so parts have been on back order for 3 months. So everything's here, all the planets are aligned, and the time is now. So what you're about to see is us doing the repair. Motor's already out. I don't know if you guys have been watching my vlogs. I have like 18 vlogs before this. On one of those, we pulled out the motor, so everything's stripped out. So on this vlog, what we're gonna start doing is tearing the motor down, taking out all the brake lines, ABS, everything, pretty much down structural, because we have to pull it, and I didn't want to break any of the lines. You know, there's a lot of stuff that was broken, but like you'll see in the vlog, we got to salvage as much as possible, because this is not a car where you could order stuff from the dealer. There's a lot of stuff that's discontinued. So yeah, the less we have to buy, the better. So what we're going to be doing, what is required for the repair? So stripping down the full engine bay. We're going to be doing a strut tower assembly, radiator support, all the stuff on the side, firewall, pulling out the dash, the whole nine. So hopefully we can put this back together. We'll definitely be able to fix the repair, but you guys are going to see everything from start to finish. You're going to see if we pull it off, if we don't mess up. I'm not hiding anything, so you're going to see everything, and this is not an easy repair, so there's going to be a lot of hidden damage and a lot of hidden surprises on the way. So yeah, here we go. Enjoy, and like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. What is up, world? It is time. The time has come. It is Evo 10 time. So, motivation, move all this stuff. That's what we're gonna be doing. Clean up all this. So I'm gonna pull. None of that stuff breaks. Although most of it's broken. But we're gonna see what we can salvage out of it, because we need to salvage as much stuff as we can. So here we go.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a jump popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a jump popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
Alright, it's all done.
I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a jump popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
So this is what we're doing. We gotta take out the dash. And the reason we gotta take out the dash is because we have to take out the strut assembly area, and the dash is holding it together. So me and Carlos, say what, Carlos?
Yeah.
We are about to take this bad boy out with the wiring. Hopefully it comes out with the wiring. So that's the first step. So here we go.
That's the easy way.
All right, dash is out, frames out, seats are out. Next is Carlos.
Floor.
The carpet. So here we go.
Carpet for wires.
And it's pull time. All right, so she is all stripped down. These are all the parts that are going to be going on it. A lot of parts. It's the man that's going to be doing, Mr. Richard. I'm vlogging the whole thing, Richard. Inside. Side is all stripped down. We pull out the frame of the dash, wire harness, insulation, whatever we had to do. Seats, carpet, seat belts, everything. So, the repair is going down. So now next step is we got to chain it down or strap it down to the machine. And those are the actual straps for the frame machine, or clamps. Those are the actual clamps. $1,000 kit. Nice. Wow, man. You're the man, dude. I've seen him do some hard stuff, and very talented, man. I'm glad I could capture this. So. All right, so update on the Evo. Here we go. Late night. Hi, you, Vicky. I'm vlogging. Late night. Working on the Evo. We got most of the metal straightened and ready to do the rail. Alright, Vicky, later. We were straightening all the firewall. I guess the firewall is a little low, and then he's going to be fitting the frame rail. This we have to save because this part is discontinued. That holds the hood, so we got to work our magic. So
Oh yeah. So that's the inside. Getting there. It is getting there. So that's it for today. Hopefully we're gonna get more video, some more shots for tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. All right, so this is the update. We got the rail on.
Look like around the middle.
Yeah, before you weld, you could play with it and at least you get an idea. You can sleep better now when you hear it. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I think take the big hammer and see if you can just tap it over while and see if
Got the cradle on, trying to line it up.
when you put this, see how much put it in there and pull.
They want to see how to be organized. Everything has to be itemized. Got boxes and boxes of parts. To be continued.
When you bring that one,
Let me show you how. Hold on, not yet. Let me show you how the inside looks. The firewall. And just with the pull, that door is shutting good again. So you guys said the strut bar went on perfect. No problem. And the cradle's on. But let me tell you, it's starting to look like a car. You got two strut towers. It looks straight. There we go. There's the tram gauge.
call the Chinese guy.
But the mechanic Steve from Facebook. Mitsubishi says 190, whatever that means. He knows what it means. So for the viewers, he is measuring weld points. So whatever he measures on the driver's side, he has to get on the passenger side. It's like a strut bolt, probably to the outer bolt to the what is it called? Reinforcement bar. So let's see. Please.
Lock it.
Yeah.
From the center.
Almost there. We need a little bit more measurement before we weld. Like the saying goes, measure twice, cut once. So to be continued. There's a bunch of to be continued. So, but check it out. Let's look at it. Let's look at the frame. Everything is getting really nice and close and aligned. We just wanted to check. We bolted the strut on, the strut tower bar, and the cradle. So everything is aligned. That's showing everything is getting close. We just have to get our final frame measurements where we need it, and that's weld time. So to be continued. But this is what we got done today. All right, world. Till next time.